Hello, Mrs. Arora.
I have met you after a long time. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Take a glass of water, please. And have a seat, please.
Thank you, Mrs. Arora.
How are you, Mrs. Tanya?
I am good. What about you?
I'm okay.
Have you completed your household work?
Yes, I have completed my household work just now. But still I have to prepare a lunch.
You're not free. And see me. I am always free and I have time for my hobbies too.
How lucky you are, and look at me. My life has become a routine. My routine is to wash clothes, prepare a lunch, making a tea. I am fed up with this. I am not getting a change. But now I want a change. I want to live my life happily.
But all depends on yourself now. You should try to stand up for your own rights.
Yes, thank you, Mrs. Tanya. You are right. If my family will support me, then only I can fulfill my hobby and live my life according to my wishes.
You think it is good for them. You run after them all the time and taking orders like a servant of the house. Your husband, son, daughter should not be treating you like a dirt.
I think first I should give them a hint.
Hint? Isn't it is more than your family needs, Mrs. Aurora?
Mrs. Tanya, it's too hard to know where to start, and I also don't know how to start. Oh no, look at the time, dear. Nothing is ready and they will be at home at any minute. And all are in hurry to go out again.
Yeah, I'm also getting late. So keep your promise and do something. We'll meet again.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Tanya. Now I will spend my time for my hobby, and that is to read books.
Mommy, I'm very hungry. I want to eat pizza. Is pizza ready? Early morning I'd inform you to prepare it.
No, I haven't made it. If you want, prepare it by yourself.
Do you mean it isn't ready? Oh, then prepare noodles for me.
If you will help me, if you will support me, then only I can prepare noodles for you.
But why won't you prepare it? What's the matter with you, Mom?
Nothing, I have no time.
Hello mom, how are you? Is my tea ready?
I am fine. No, I haven't made it. If you want, prepare it by yourself.
Why not?
I couldn't bother.
What's the idea then?
Nothing, just a change.
Change? Oh, leave it. Well, make it immediately. I don't have too much time.
I have a plenty of time.
Have you put my things out?
No, I don't remember it.
Mom, today I have to go to the party. You will have to iron my yellow silk dress.
Mom, have you polished my shoes? Where is it?
No, isn't ready. Well, now I have decided to change my behavior. I don't like to be treated as a servant.
Mom, then who will cook for us?
We will take care of us.
Who will prepare tea for us?
We will wash clothes of us.
Who will prepare lunch for us?
Who will teach us how to read and write.
And mom, I am working for a whole day.
Same here. I go to school for 8 hours.
What? 8 hours? I have done my 8 hours. I might go up for the weekend.
Go for the weekend. And you, Mom?
Why not? I also want a change. That's my business. Mind your own business. Keep quiet.
Why my dear is crying?
Better ask her.
Why don't you pay attention to Ruhi? What had happened to you? I am surprised at you.
But I like it.
Okay, bring me the newspaper.
Take it if you want to read. My duty of 8 hours is over now.
What had happened to you? Till today you have walked regularly. But why have you changed today?
Yes, it was. But now it has become a past. But now I won't work as a servant, but I will live as an individual. I also want to fulfill my desires. I will work for me also.
But why do you want a change, mom?
What the change do you want?
Till now I was working for Evolve, but no one has noticed it and no one took care of me. Now I want you all to realize your mistake.
Oh mom, I realized my mistake and I understand the value of mother in our life. Now onwards, I will respect you and help you.
Now I will not shout at my mother, and I will also respect her and help her.
From today, I also not treat you as a servant and not give you order as a servant.
Okay, now I will try my best to make you all happy.
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ,
A mother can take place of everyone, but no one can take place of a mother.
In the word of mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, M is very important because without M, all are others.
Today I realize the importance of woman in our society. She can play the role of teacher, cook, manager, householder, caretaker and many other.
Without mother, our life is black and white.